What are you doing, Ellen?
Princess Ballet.
Princess Ballet.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm watching.
Mom, can you practice with me?
Okay, let's do our positions, okay? Number 1.
Yeah. 2.
That's number 1.
Yeah. 2.
2.
2.
You do number 3. 3. 4. And you want to do number 5?
No, 4 now. 2 now.
Okay, our ballet class is being interrupted by Spider-Man. Are you Spider-Man or Batman? Okay.
It's a snake. It's a wheel. It's a big one. It's a wheel.
Okay, Bobby, say goodbye.
No, Mommy. Now can we do 4 and 5?
Why don't you practice tippy toe walks? Go ahead. Bobby, let Ellen practice tippy toe. Bobby.